everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. Welcome to my crafty goal setting for 2021. This year I'll be using a bullet journal to help keep track with my goals. I'm hoping that using a bullet journal will help me with my time management. They say if you fail to plan, you plan to fail, so here's my plan. I have come up with some specific goals, but let me show you why I've chosen these goals. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and let me tell you a little bit about myself. My husband and I sold everything we own, house, furniture, and we bought this RV and moved into it. In the RV there is a little studio, and that's where I do all of my creating. Behind my desk is all of the storage that I have. The gray cabinet is where I keep all of my papers. On the bottom left, that's where I have all my 12 by 12 paper pads, and on the bottom right is all of my collection kits. One of those plastic bins has small paper pads, and the rest are just themed papers. So here's my 12 by 12 paper pads. I want to start using them up. I don't want them to start looking dated. And then also there are my 12 by 12 collection kits, and I have a good handful. I think I counted 16 of those, and they'll make great mini albums. That's what I make primarily. I just need to attack the pile. So this is a drawer, you were looking from the top, of all of my ephemera. It's ephemera, it's stickers, it's packages of flowers, it's paper clips, adhesive gems, washi tape. So there's a lot of miscellaneous stuff all jam-packed into this drawer. One of those plastic bins was chock full of small paper pads. Most are 6 by 6. I have a couple of 6 by 8s and some of the 4.5 by 6.5 as well. I really would love to use all of these small paper pads this year. Alright, now that I've got my goal set, I'm going to show you how I organize my life based on that. I have a goal tracker, so I have boxes of when I complete the paper pads, collection kits, small paper pads, etc. So that is, each month I'll come back here and put whether or not I've made any mini albums or cards or how I did over last year. And anytime I complete a paper pad or whatever, I can mark it off there. I put on 2 separate groupings of pages the month, so I can refer to that and know when the months start. And then I put the collabs that I have joined into, and the dates and the times and what the topic is. So again, I can refer back to that. So if I find out in January that there's going to be a Christmas in July, then I can put it here in July and just worry about it when July comes. So now that I have this, then I make a monthly calendar. I put my goals for the month of what I need to do to accomplish those goals, as far as using up my stash, beating last year, and my social media goals. And then this is pretty much a brain dump. This is what I'm going to use for the collabs, and these are some ideas of different things I can do, like washi tape, some ideas for washi tape, etc. And then it goes further into the week, and on each day I'll take whatever part of the project I need to complete, like take photos or cut paper from mini albums, and just put tasks for each day, so I make sure it's completed in the appropriate amount of time. This is sort of a weekly brain dump, so things that I want to work on, I'm just going to jot them down as I think of them, and then try to fit them into the next week or whatever it is I need to do. The other boxes I will use as one for notes and one for a goal tracker. For instance, if I finish a paper pad, I'll write down what paper pad I used. And I'm getting better about it. Look at February, I used more washi tape, so it's a prettier layout. I'm learning as I go. It's all new to me, so I'm just trying to make this work. So these are my plans for my crafty goals for 2021. I hope you'll follow along with me. I still will post each month and tell you how I've done. I think it's a little easier. Those of you who followed me last year know that I've changed my format throughout the year a couple of times. This one I'm going to stick with. It's easier to track, and I think the thing about goals is that if they're easily trackable and they're somewhat attainable, then you're more likely to complete those goals for each year. Thanks again so much. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and let me know what your crafty goals are for 2021. Have a fabulous day.